Even after a whole day of the alleged incident of attacking Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami, the investigating agencies remain clueless about the forces behind the assault. The Mumbai police have not released any details on the interrogation of the two suspected culprits kept in custody. Arnab and his wife, Samyabrata Ray Goswami, were attacked while returning from the channel office in the wee hours of last night. Their car was stopped by two goons who had been chasing them on a motorbike. They overtook Arnab's vehicle and blocked the road. Once the car was stopped, both persons rushed to the car and tried to break the window pane. But Arnab managed to escape from them without getting physically hurt. The journalist couple were targeted at a point close to their apartment. Soon after reaching the apartment, from the parking lot itself, Arnab explained about the incident and the forces behind the attack. He alleged that Congress President Sonia Gandhi was taking revenge on him for questioning the wrongdoings of the party leadership.
They were Congress workers, youth Congress workers, who had said that they had been sent to attack me, and youth Congress workers who said they had tailed me and they were given instructions by their higher-ups to attack me, to teach me a lesson. So I just want to tell you, Sonia Gandhi, that you're the biggest coward in this country right now. You, Sonia Gandhi, tried to carry out an attack on me when I was driving back from work. You know the questions I've asked you are absolutely appropriate. You have no guts to face me. My questions against you will increase.
Though Arnab has made his doubts known, his strong stance in the incident concerning the lynching of the two monks sannyasins and their driver may also be a reason for the attack. The incident which took place in Maharashtra has been disregarded by other media houses. But Arnab argues fiercely against this heinous act. He had raised that it was because the lynched men had been Hindu saints that the incident had not been reported. Arnab has strongly accused the Congress party in this brutal slaughter. He alleged that if it had been Christian priests, the order would have already come from Rome and the Congress would have reacted differently. He also remarked that Congress considers Italy as home country and not India. Soon after Arnab came out with a tough stand in the Maharashtra murder, the hashtag #ArrestAnti-India Arnab caught fire in social media. Disregarding the rule that political party programs had been temporarily terminated due to lockdown, Congress party organized a series of protests demanding the arrest of Arnab. A few Congress leaders have also lodged complaints against the TV anchor, stating he was racially discriminating people. Threats cannot stop me, Arnab said clearly soon after the attempt on his life. I stand for my country and my fellow countrymen will stand by me, he added. Last day, he had resigned from the Editors Guild, the official organization for senior media persons in India. Arnab announced the resignation live on Reporter TV, alleging that the mainstream media and senior journalists are not responsible enough. News Broadcasters Federation has condemned the attack. The question in the air is, what will be the response of the other senior journalists about the assault on a fellow media person?